Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. We are still in Coral Bay at the moment. Today we are actually heading out on a quad bike tour. One of our mates here, he works with one of the tour companies and is a guide for the quad bikes. So we are about to head out with him, which we're really looking forward to. Tomorrow the weather's looking really good to go out on the boat. So we're hoping to go out with the goal to find some Manta Rays. We haven't swum with the Manta Rays yet in Coral Bay. So we're really hoping to get out tomorrow and find some. So yeah, that will be really cool. But yeah, now we're going to get ready for the quad bikes and head off for that. Hey guys, we didn't film after our swim yesterday, but we did manage to find Manta Rays, which was absolutely amazing. They are literally the most beautiful creatures ever, so mellow, just was such an amazing experience, so grateful for it. This morning we did head out on the boat again as well, but the wind picked up pretty fast, so we didn't spend too long out there. We pretty much went out and decided to call it and headed back in. But we did see humpbacks today, which was absolutely incredible as well. 2 days of two amazing creatures. Whilst we were heading out behind the reef, we saw a couple breaching and a few different pods of them were around. We kept our distance. I was trying to film them super zoomed in on my phone, but I was struggling to catch them. But yeah, so incredible to see them. So we'll show you that footage of those now. We are actually heading to Exmouth now, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to get out on the boat. I think the next 2 days the weather's looking good, so we're planning to get out on the boat the next 2 days. But yeah, we'll see how we go, and yeah, we're just packing up now and getting ready to make our way there.
nice trout. It was a terrible shot.
Yeah.
He was under the ledge. I didn't see him at first, and I didn't want to lose him, so I took a shot. It's our first full day in Exmouth. We arrived last night from Coral Bay. Me and Jade have just headed out, shot this nice size coral trout. It had already been shot here, as you can see. It's kind of repaired itself, but I had another terrible shot in it. It was down in a dark ledge. I was just having a look at the other fish that were under there, hoping there might be a coral trout. And then I saw nice coral trout spots, and he kind of darted across into the darkness. I couldn't really see him. He just kind of appeared. I could see that it was a coral trout once again because of the dots. So I took a shot kind of into the dark. It was very low, but I swam after him and still managed to get him, which was great. And that'll be feeding us for the next 2 nights or so. So happy with that. Nice size fish. Trout today, got one yesterday, same spot, beauty. We just went out for day 2. Yesterday we got a nice size trout. This one's a bit smaller, but about 2 centimeters over the size limit. Got a better shot on this one, quite a stone shot, but a lot better than the one I shot yesterday through the belly. So happy with that. We've got 2 coral trout in 2 days and nice feed in the freezer.
Yeah. We have decided to make sushi with the coral trout that we got yesterday. So we've got our sushi rice on the go, sushi seasoning, we've got cucumber, avocado, Jar's gonna put a bit of kupi in his, and then we've got the coral trout. So we've let our rice cool, we've cut our cucumber and avocado, and now we're gonna get started.